Plugs into the factory stereo when reinstalling the factory stereo. Manufactured with factory-quality wire and connectors. EIA industry standard color-coded wires for an easier installation. See fit guide in images to verify that your vehicle is compatible. Backed by Scosche's lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. The Scosche ReVolt compact dual-port USB car charger is the smallest and fastest charger. The dual USB port charger produces an amazing 24W and 4.8 amp total output, 12W, 2.4A per port, producing the fastest charge possible to all standard USB wireless devices. With the LED backlight, easily plug in your charging cable in a dark vehicle. Low-profile design charger is configured for advanced iOS devices but will charge all smartphones, and includes optimized circuitry to avoid damage to any less powerful devices. Plug in any combination of iPads, iPhones, tablets or smartphones with your existing charge and sync cables. Top reviews from the United States. Worked for my 2004 Ford F-150. Used this to replace a damaged harness that was cut when someone broke into my truck. They didn't completely chop it, so I had the original but with very short wire left to reattach. I was able to use this to match the color coding and had to change 2 pins, which was very easy since the red cover pops right off.